Most people see flashy ads for Giraffe and instantly think it's another fake rewards app. But here's the truth no one tells you. Some users are actually getting paid from it, while others waste time because they misunderstand how the app works. In this video, I'll give you an honest Giraffe review for 2026. We'll cover how the app works, how much you can realistically earn, the biggest pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth using this year. Let's get straight into it. Giraffe is a mobile rewards app that pays users for playing games and completing certain in-app activities. As you spend time inside supported games, you collect coins that can later be redeemed for rewards like PayPal Cash or gift cards. The app mainly targets casual mobile gamers. If you already spend time playing games on your phone, Giraffe tries to turn some of that gaming time into small rewards. Now here's where it gets interesting. The app tracks gameplay time and progression differently depending on the game you choose. For example, Jake from Texas downloaded a few strategy and puzzle games through Giraffe and noticed some games earned rewards much faster than others. Instead of constantly switching games, he focused on high-paying offers and redeemed rewards more consistently. But here's the problem. Many users expect huge payouts after only a few minutes of gameplay. This is where most people fail. They treat reward apps like full-time income opportunities instead of bonus earning platforms. In a minute, I'll explain the smartest strategy experienced Giraffe users follow to maximize rewards faster. One major advantage is simplicity. The app is easy to use, beginner-friendly, and doesn't require complicated surveys or technical setups. Another positive is flexibility. Depending on your region, users may access PayPal withdrawals or different gift card options, which makes the rewards feel more practical. Alex from California uses Giraffe casually while commuting and during breaks. Instead of trying to grind nonstop, he treats the app as a small side reward for gaming he already enjoys. Now here's where it gets even more important. Your earnings depend heavily on the games available in your region. Some users get stronger offers than others depending on location and device compatibility. Another downside is that rewards can slow down over time. The highest paying milestones often happen early in a game's progression, and later levels may reward fewer coins. And remember this. If you dislike mobile gaming completely, Giraffe probably won't feel worth your time. The app works best for people who already enjoy gaming naturally. Another common mistake is using VPNs, fake accounts, or cheating software. Reward apps monitor suspicious activity carefully, and violating the rules can lead to account restrictions or lost rewards. So here's the honest verdict. Giraffe is legitimate, and does pay users in 2026, especially casual gamers looking for extra gift cards or small PayPal rewards during free time. But it's not fast money, and patience matters. If you already use Giraffe, comment below with your biggest payout so far and which game paid you the fastest. And if this honest review helped you decide whether the app is worth trying, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more legit online earning reviews and tutorials.